Hello, explorers! Today, we're tackling one of the most urgent issues facing our world: climate change. What are the terrifying consequences of this global crisis, and how can we work to mitigate them? Stick with us as we explore the science, the impacts, and the solutions to this pressing challenge. Did you know that global temperatures have already risen by more than 1 degree Celsius since pre-industrial times? This may sound small, but it's enough to cause drastic changes in our climate system, leading to rising sea levels, extreme weather, and devastating impacts on biodiversity. Let's start with the science. Climate change is driven by the buildup of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, causing the planet to warm and disrupting natural weather patterns. Human activities like burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial farming are the primary contributors to this crisis. The consequences are severe. Rising sea levels threaten to submerge coastal cities, while extreme weather events like hurricanes, heat waves, and wildfires become more frequent and intense. Millions of people could be displaced, leading to social and economic upheaval on a global scale. Biodiversity loss is another critical issue. As ecosystems collapse under the strain of climate change, countless species are pushed to the brink of extinction. This not only impacts wildlife, but also the humans who rely on these ecosystems for resources like food, water, and medicine. Climate change also affects agriculture, threatening global food security by reducing crop yields and creating harsher growing conditions in many regions. Communities in vulnerable areas are already facing food shortages and economic instability as a result. Despite these challenges, there is hope. Renewable energy sources like wind and solar are becoming more affordable and accessible. Reforestation projects and sustainable farming practices are helping to restore damaged ecosystems. Advances in carbon capture technology could significantly reduce emissions if adopted on a large scale. Grassroots movements and international agreements, like the Paris Accord, are also driving meaningful action against climate change. But the clock is ticking. Climate scientists warn that we must act decisively within the next decade to avoid the worst impacts of climate change. This means transitioning to sustainable energy, protecting our natural resources, and rethinking how we live and consume on this planet. The responsibility lies not just with governments and industries, but with each of us to make impactful changes in our daily lives. So what do you think? Are we doing enough to combat climate change, or are we underestimating the scale of this crisis? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more explorations into science, survival, and the mysteries of our world. Let's keep searching for solutions together.